Hi, my name is Matt Kramer. I'm a vegan or plant-based personal chef working out of the Northern California area, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about fresh herbs. I use them in virtually everything I make, so things like cilantro and thyme and basil and mint, and chives. They add a ton of flavor to a dish. Decoratively, they look wonderful. The challenge for me, of course, has been they're A, have to be fresh, and B, they have to be accessible. And so I would typically either buy them at farmer's market, or I'd buy them at the store, or I could grow them at home. And so I wanted to share with you kind of the solution that I discovered that works really well for me, and hopefully it'll help you out as well. So if I buy them at the farmer's market or at the store, to extend the life of them, I could keep them in the fridge, try and keep the humidity level right so they last as long as possible. Or I'll keep them on the counter, put them in water, almost like a fresh set of flowers, but eventually they go limp and, well, they're done. So my best bet, I decided, was to produce fresh herbs at home. Now, I really love my garden, but it's kind of far away from my kitchen, and when it comes to herbs, it's often a spur-of-the-moment decision. And I don't really want to walk across my yard to get to my garden on the other side, especially when it's dark out. So I need another solution. So the solution is to grow them on my patio. And my patio is beautiful, but it's not the most hospitable environment for plants. There's a lot of cement. It gets hot. I don't want to create planter boxes. So I found Planted Places, which is a wonderful, self-contained, self-irrigated, planted wall that is right there for me whenever I want to use it. So now I just walk out of my kitchen whenever I need it, walk over to the wall, harvest whatever's looking good. Whatever I decide will be right in the dish that I'm making. And voila! Problem solved. So again, fresh herbs are an easy, wonderful way to elevate a dish, whether it's a spicy red pepper dip, a cooling cucumber raita, a fried rice, tofu curry, spring rolls, stir fries, hearty soups, pad thai, weeknight chili, or a simple pico de gallo.